Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use Poll Everywhere for engagement. Poll Everywhere allows you to create activities that will allow you to engage your audience. These range from a lot of different activities. You can see here, if I click on activity, you have, for example, multiple choice questions, word clouds, Q&As, clickable images, surveys, etc. And you can use these, for example, at the beginning of presentations or at the beginning of certain videos, whatever it is that you use in order for you to engage your audience. This allows your audience to, for example, participate in whatever you are doing. In order for you to use Poll Everywhere to engage your audience, all you need to do is create an account. Once you've created an account, head over to activities, click on plus activity. From here, you can select whatever activity you'd like, create a title. And then from here, you can just click on create. You can see I already have one here. From here, you can create loads of different, for example, questions. Whatever you'd like, you can add some more options. And you can see this is, for example, what my one looks like. In order for you to share this with someone, all you need to do is send them this link here at the top. Make sure that the poll is activated. You can also get someone to send, for example, your name over to a specific number. Or alternatively, you can click on share and you can embed it, for example, in a presentation. Or you can copy the link. And that's basically it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.